after giving it a bit of petrol, it stops and starts. It's completely choked. It's choked. Turns off. Now it's a struggle to turn it on. Now turning it on is a mission. Now if I try and turn it on, it will struggle. It struggles, it's like it's choked. If I leave it overnight, it will start straight away, but now there is no chance. Sometimes disconnecting them up since I assists, but sometimes I've got to sort of half push the throttle. Like it's not cranking. Yeah, it's dead. It's choked. Now it looks like it's an air issue because it just won't fire. Completely won't fire. Either the engine seizes or something. I'll connect the map sensor again, but if I leave it for a while, it will probably then turn on. It sounds like maybe the air or the fuel cleans up. Maybe the engine's flooded and it won't start. I'll put the pedal down and try and start it again. Put the pedal down. No, it's not starting. No. Like it fires, but then it dies. It's like it doesn't have enough air. I think it's struggling for air. And that's why if I leave it for a half hour or an hour, maybe it will start. So there's maybe multiple issues here. If you have any ideas, let me know. I'll get the computer codes now for you and put them in the comments.